I've got a 2004 Ford Expedition running the 5.4 all four-wheel drive, and I bought a set of wheel bearings to go all the way around. The front ones, I'm replacing them for the first time under warranty with less than 5,000 miles on it. Well, that shiny spot, that's my rotor digging into the caliper, because the wheel bearing was finished. Now, what kind of wheel bearings did I get? Well, I bought from this company. It's a Chinese company. It's yeah. I have to excuse dirty lens or something. But anyways, so this is what I bought. And you'd think with a 3-year warranty that it would be a really good bearing. I mean, it looks nice and shiny. You'd think, oh, it's pretty good. Even a descriptor on the website talking about the quality, how everything is really top shelf quality materials, bearings, certain setup to ensure long life. Well, the bearing's got about 5,000 miles on it, roughly 8,000 kilometers. Yeah, that's coming apart. And isn't that a nice noise? Now imagine that at 50 miles an hour. It screams something fierce. So this bearing has about 5,000 miles on it, and it is shit. The company that I bought it from was off of eBay, and that's the company. So I wouldn't recommend buying from them. I'd actually go with a real auto parts store, and I'd go with, say, a Moog or an AC Delco. Something good quality, made in, or hopefully made in North America. Because, I tell you, if I didn't have the tools to be able to do this myself, I'd probably be looking at a couple $100 just to get the job done.